Speaker, when this government chose to spend almost $700,000 on a private law firm to fight the Churchill family, the Premier blamed the school district, which is part of the Department of Education. I asked the Premier, are you responsible for education in Newfoundland and Labrador?
The Honourable the Premier.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. First of all, let me I'll attempt to answer both sections of the question. First, the report does suggest, with respect to being proactive, quote, an impressive amount of work has been done subsequently to the cyber attack. So I'll just let that stand there, Mr. Speaker. With respect to the school district, Mr. Speaker, once again, I'm very sympathetic to that particular situation, Mr. Speaker. I agree with the member opposite. That money should be spent in the classroom and not in the courtroom. But had I interfered, Mr. Speaker, the accusation would have been that I was interfering in judicial and legal processes, which I, for one, am not going to do, Mr. Speaker.
The Honourable the Premier.
Thank you, Speaker, and I can reassure the Premier, if he interferes in something that improves the lives of Newfoundlanders and Labradorans, you will not hear objection. I guarantee you that. Speaker, when the cyber attack struck our province, the government blamed the health authorities. When the crab crisis gripped our province, government blamed the market. When the emergency room doors closed across our province, government shrugged it off as a national issue. When Memorial stripped the oath for convocation, they blamed someone else. I asked the Premier, if you're not responsible for the issues affecting the lives of people of Newfoundland and Labrador, who is?
The Honourable the Premier.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. And I certainly am very cognizant of the lives of Newfoundlanders and Labradorians, and I resent any other accusation, Mr. Speaker. We've been here implementing new policies, Mr. Speaker, to create a sustainable Newfoundland and Labrador, Mr. Speaker. I, for one, despite the support of the opposition, will not interfere in the judicial process, Mr. Speaker.
The Honourable the Leader of the Official Opposition.
There would have been a proactive approach that would have eliminated having to go to the judicial process here. At the right time, Speaker. Speaker, it's been over 3 months since the sudden cancelling of a school bus contract with Gladney's bus service.